Salmonella outbreak has health officials advising people to go through their pantries. Onions from Mexico are linked to hundreds of salmonella cases across the country, including right here in Louisiana. Our Ariel Salk talked to one Baton Rouge doctor about how you can avoid getting sick.
The CDC says the outbreak is limited to whole red, white, and yellow onions imported from Chihuahua, Mexico, and distributed by ProSource Incorporated. Baton Rouge General Family Doctor Rachel Kermis says salmonella could be found in produce as well as meat and eggs.
Salmonella is spread basically by any sort of fecal contamination. So we do see it in fruits, vegetables like onions, where we have contamination of the outer shell.
The CDC says over 650 people have been infected, with a handful here in Louisiana. But the number of people getting sick from this outbreak is likely much higher. Kermis explains what symptoms you should be looking for.
You'll start getting vague GI symptoms, so a little bit of nausea, some queasy stomach, and then eventually, if it's like an actual salmonella infection, you'll develop into actual vomiting, and we worry about the diarrhea as the main component of it.
Kermis says these infections usually work themselves out without needing hospitalization, but she does worry about certain demographics.
We look at the extremes of age, so really young people like infants, toddlers, and then when we get into the elderly patients, we're at increased risk of complications. Then when we also look at our immunocompromised populations.
Ariel Salk, NBC Local 33 News.
Now, if you do have onions at home, you're advised to check where they are from. If you don't know where they're from, they tell you not to eat them and to wash surfaces and containers that these onions may have touched using